In 3102 BC, after the Kurukshetra War, the warrior Ashwatthama, driven by rage and sorrow, attempted to kill Uttara's unborn child to avenge his father's death. This heinous act led Krishna, the eighth incarnation of Vishnu, to curse him. Ashwatthama was condemned to eternal wandering, witnessing humanity's decline throughout the Kali Yuga. Stripped of his divine gem, his redemption would come only by protecting the mother of Kalki, Vishnu's final incarnation, destined to end the age of darkness. The world Ashwatthama knew crumbled into obscurity. Fast forward to 2898 AD, 6,000 years after the Kurukshetra War, the earth is now a desolate wasteland. The city of Kasi, the last known civilization, stands under the iron rule of Supreme Yaskin, a 200-year-old god-king. Yaskin rules from the complex, an enormous inverted pyramid floating above the city. With his enforcers, Commander Manas and Counselor Bani, Yaskin maintains control, while whispers of rebellion from the hidden city of Shambala grow louder. In this dystopian world, hope is scarce. Fertile female refugees in Kasi are abducted for Project K, a secret experiment designed to create a serum for Yaskin's immortality. These women are artificially inseminated, and their pregnancies are terminated prematurely to extract the serum. However, the serum only gains potency after 150 days of gestation, and no subject has survived that long. Among those targeted is Raya, a young girl disguised as a boy, who narrowly escapes conscription with the help of Shambalan rebels. Raya finds refuge in a cave hidden deep within the mountains. There, she stumbles upon Ashwatthama, who has been wandering the earth for millennia, cursed to witness humanity's suffering. Unbeknownst to her, Raya carries his divine gem, which she had accidentally found during her escape. When she places the gem on his forehead, Ashwatthama's powers are restored. Realizing that a woman is pregnant with Kalki, the prophesied savior, Ashwatthama and Raya embark on a perilous journey to find and protect her. Meanwhile, within the walls of the complex, a woman known as Sum80, a subject of Project K, hides a 150-day pregnancy, the crucial point for extracting the potent serum. Her secret is eventually discovered, and she is forcibly taken for the extraction procedure. However, before the serum can be fully harvested, Shambalan rebels stage a daring rescue. They take Sum80 under their protection and rename her Sumathi. She becomes a symbol of hope, for within her lies the future savior, Kalki. The journey to Shambala, the hidden city of the rebels, is fraught with danger. As Sumathi is transported, their convoy is ambushed by bounty hunters and raiders, led by the relentless Bhairava. Bhairava, with his AI supercar Buji, has been tracking the rebels, motivated by a personal vendetta and the promise of a reward. The battle is fierce, but Sumathi and the rebels manage to fend off their attackers. Yet, Bhairava remains undeterred. Despite Bhairava's formidable skills, Ashwatthama proves to be the superior warrior. He subdues Bhairava and ensures Sumathi's safe passage to Shambala. As they enter the hidden city, the ancient tree of life begins to bloom, signifying Kalki's impending arrival. Ashwatthama reveals to Raya that his walking stick is no ordinary staff. It is the Vijaya Dhanush, a powerful bow that once belonged to his friend Karna, a great warrior from the Kurukshetra War. The bow's return marks a turning point in their quest. Unbeknownst to the rebels, Bhairava has not given up. Driven by a deep sense of purpose and a desire for redemption, he strikes a deal with Commander Manas. In exchange for entry into the complex, Bhairava agrees to capture Sumathi and deliver her to Yaskin. He infiltrates Shambala by manipulating a rebel into leading him there. Disguised as Ashwatthama, Bhairav convinces Sumathi to flee the city with him, but their plan is interrupted by the real Ashwatthama. As Ashwatthama and Bhairav face off once more, Manas and his soldiers launch a full-scale assault on Shambala. The city's defenses are breached, and chaos ensues. Shambala's leader, Mariam, valiantly tries to protect Sumathi, but she is outmatched by Manas. The rebels fight with all their might, but the overwhelming forces of the complex begin to take their toll. In the midst of the battle, Ashwatthama and Bhairav put aside their differences to save Sumathi from certain death. In the aftermath of the battle, Ashwatthama, knowing Bhairava's determination, knocks him unconscious to prevent further conflict. However, Manas takes advantage of the situation and captures Ashwatthama, restraining him with powerful bonds. As the dust settles, a leaf from the tree of life falls into Bhairava's hand, triggering a profound transformation. The Vijaya Danush awakens, recognizing Bhairava as its rightful master. The warrior, now channeling the power of Karna, is reborn with a new purpose. Bhairava awakens with a surge of power, the memories of his past life as Karna flooding back. The Vijaya Danush hums with energy as it recognizes its true master. In a trance-like state, Bhairava unleashes the full might of the weapon, effortlessly defeating Manas's soldiers. The battlefield is transformed as Bhairava, empowered by his ancient lineage, strikes down Manas with a single devastating blow. The tide of the battle turns and the forces of Shambala rally behind their new champion. With Manas defeated, Bhairava's trance is broken, and he returns to his former self. Overwhelmed by the weight of his newfound identity, he takes Sumathi and leaves Shambala. As they depart, Ashwatthama, still restrained, watches on with a mix of pride and sorrow. He knows that the prophecy of Kalki is drawing closer to fulfillment, but the path ahead remains fraught with danger. The battle may be won, but the war for humanity's future is far from over. Meanwhile, in the depths of the complex, Supreme Yaskin, having learned of Manas's defeat, seizes the drop of serum extracted from Sumathi's fetus. He consumes the serum, triggering a horrifying transformation. Yaskin gains the powers of the unborn Kalki, becoming a youthful superhuman with 4 magical limbs. His newfound strength and agility make him nearly invincible. With the Gandiva bow in hand, Yaskin vows to personally capture Sumathi and her child, determined to reshape the world in his image. As Yaskin prepares for his next move, the forces of darkness and light brace for the final confrontation. The prophecy of Kalki is on the verge of being fulfilled, but the outcome is far from certain. Ashwatthama, Bhairava, and Sumathi each have their roles to play in the unfolding epic. The fate of humanity rests on their shoulders as they prepare to face Yaskin and his army. The stage is set for the ultimate battle between good and evil. In the quiet moments before the storm, Ashwatthama reflects on his long and arduous journey. Cursed to wander the earth for eternity, he has witnessed the rise and fall of countless civilizations. The weight of his curse has borne heavily on him, but now, for the first time in millennia, he feels a sense of hope. The arrival of Kalki offers the promise of redemption, not just for humanity, but for Ashwatthama himself. He steels himself for the battle ahead, determined to see it through. Bhairava, now fully aware of his past life as Karna, grapples with the enormity of his revelation. The memories of his former self bring with them a deep sense of duty and responsibility. He knows that his destiny is intertwined with that of Ashwatthama and Sumathi, and that together they must face the challenges that lie ahead. As the battle looms, Bhairava resolves to embrace his role as Karna's reincarnation, determined to see the prophecy fulfilled. Sumathi, though terrified by the weight of her role, finds strength in the knowledge that she carries the future of humanity within her. As the mother of Kalki, she knows that her child is destined to change the world, to bring about the end of the Kali Yuga and the dawn of a new age. Her resolve hardens.
Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey through Ray Garrison's story. We hope you enjoyed the narrative, and if you did, please hit the like button to show your support. It really helps us out. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who love action-packed tales. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let us know what you enjoyed or what stories you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.